Hi, this is GS from UOE Organization, University of Online Education. Today we are going to discuss some more depth details about functions. In my previous sessions, I just give an introduction to these functions. How to call a basic function. So right now we are going to discuss a function with parameters. Once again, I will show you how to create a function and how to call it. After that, we can go with function with parameters, because functions are very, we can say that functions are heart of JavaScript. So we have to concentrate more on these functions concepts. Yes. As I told you, we will start that script tags on header part. Type equal to text. So I'm normally showing, this is a normally showing calling of normal function. Normal function means it is nothing but a function with no parameters. Suppose I'm creating one function. Something like greetings is the function name. Is the function name. Hi, good is the message. Okay. Normally I'm saving this JavaScript as a parameter function dot html. Normally I told you, if you open this file means we can't find any output because we are not calling the function. And I already told you, if you want to execute function means we have to call that function either through event or directly by calling that function. Opening. And right now we are going to discuss about after completing to the basic introduction to the function once again, we are going to discuss about function with single parameters, multiple parameters. I will show you how to pass parameters to the function. We can also say that as an argument. So if you see here, you can't find any output because here itself we are not calling this function. Suppose if I want to call the function means directly we can call with function name. If you see here, yes, this is normally otherwise we can also call this function in event. In the previous session I told you on clicking on the button itself I'm calling the function, but right now I'm directly calling this function by executing this function in outside of the loop. This is how normal function is. So right now we are discussing about function with parameters. Parameters is nothing but it function will contain names, arguments, like something like greeting name of the greeting. This is, if the function contains such kind of name means we can consider it as a function with parameters or function with arguments. Right now, what is function with parameters means, a function, normally function become more powerful when we take in when we use parameters, which means that we can pass variable to a function from for the function to work. Means we can able to pass variable to the function. Suppose right now I'm just passing one variable to the function, something like good night. means here I am passing a variable to this function. Means you can, if you print directly, like if you print this name, means if you print, if you see here, you can see that I am passing one variable to this function. So we can say that functions can become more powerful. They can take parameters, which mean that we can pass variable to a function. Like here, means I'm passing one variable, means we should not this is a string, but I'm placing as a variable here. It can be anything. If I print this one, means we can get this good night output. Suppose if I want to pass another variable to the same function, means once again good morning. So here I am passing two different variables to same function. If you take a look at here, means here, means we can pass number of variables to a single function. So we can say that we can able to pass a list of parameters to a function. Suppose for a clear picture, if I add some break tag here, so here we can see that if I want to pass another variable to the same function, means that's the, yeah. Sorry, the name is different. Rating. If you refresh, means here, I mean we can pass any kind of variables using to this function itself. So we can say that this is the example of a function with single parameter. Suppose if I have multiple parameters, like this one, number. Okay, if you refresh, means you can't find any difference. So we can say that now I have a function called greeting with two parameters. One is greeting name and one is number. So right now I want to send variables to this function. Right now I'm passing only one parameter, but right now I can have two parameters which I can pass here. So I'm passing another variable using comma. So I'm passing like 5 as number. If you see here, so then this good night will be replaced on first parameter, and this on the second parameter will be replaced by this 5. So if I print here, you will not find any much difference, because here I didn't print the number. So if I want to print number, means I will just print that number. So you can see that good night 5. Yeah, here, I mean this is the function about function with parameters, and this is the way how to pass values to the functions. We can pass multiple parameters. I mean we can pass a list of parameters to a function. We do not I can show you one more. If I want to send another parameter to a function, gs. If I take as name as parameter as name, so I'm passing this is gs as a variable to this function. So good night will be placed on this first parameter, number 5 will be placed on this number, and name is placed on here. So depending upon my requirement, suppose if I want to print this name also, means if I just place name, good night 5, this is gs. I mean, suppose if I want to print only name, I mean, which I am passing here, so it means just I can place like name, means it just print gs, because this third position is placed by name. Suppose if I want to print number 5, only number, means I can print 5. I mean, this is how a function with the parameters will work. I mean, if we passing data to the function, it will if we enable what we write here, it will get on this function. And also in functions, function has also written type. I mean, right now we are directly printing inside the function, but by using return type, we can just return the value to the directly to the function itself. I will show you example. I mean, what is a return value? Return value means a function can also return a value. I mean, after doing some specified operations, we can return a value. Suppose right now I'm explaining a function return value. Suppose I'm creating new function. This example show you how to return a value, something like my function. Normal my function. The function contains two arguments. Let us consider two arguments, let's a comma b. So I'm passing values to this my function, like 5 comma 8. So a is nothing but 4 and b is nothing but 8. So I'm multiplying these values, something like where c equal to a into b. Okay, return c. What does it mean? Means the function that will return a result must use in we have to must use. I mean, this is the function which produce results. This is the statement which produce results of a into b. I mean, in order to print that one, we must use return type. I mean, this statement specifies, this return statement specifies the value which will be returned to where the function has been called. Means this value will be returned to this function which actually we have where we have been called. So we can say that the function that will return a result must use the return keyword. The statement specifies the value which will be returned to where the function was called from. So actually the function is calling from here. So now the result is returned to this function. If you refresh, you will not find any result, you will find empty, because we have to print this function. Why is not my function? Sorry, here your name is spelling mistake. if you see here, you can see result as a into b, 32. Means up to now we just print a statement inside the function, like writing this document dot write statement in this function itself. But right now we are returning function itself. Just we build a logic inside the function, and the value is written here. Means this result will be written to this function. So I print that function. So we got the reply as 32. Suppose if we change these parameters like 7 9 7 9, so the answer should be 63. Sorry, 63. Yes, I mean this is how to return a value in the function. So today we discussed about normal function. I mean normal function means a function which without any arguments can be considered as a normal function, and a function with arguments parameters is considered with can be treated as function with parameters or function with arguments. This is the majorly we most work with the function with parameters only. So in coming session we can also take look about regressive function. It is also one of the important concept in JavaScript. So that's it for today. Thank you.